Video 48. In this video, I'm creating a transition scene. It looks like this. Strawberries falling, and while they fall, the scene changes. But first, let's clean up the game scene. I realized some nodes are not needed at all. They can clog memory and affect performance. So I'll keep only the 3 necessary nodes. Everything else stays the same. And I'll set game as the main scene. Next, I open the Enter Level Pick 1 scene and make a few script adjustments. Fix the label name. Do a quick control drag and drop setup. I uncomment the part of the code responsible for translation. Then I copy and expand the input section. And lets me translate this in speed of 1 frame. Here's code. Font is too large. To the max. Tweaking some animation curve. Yep, need to break curve first. On speed up video ain't much to see. Render with alpha map. And this is important. Size must match size of the game screen. 152 times 648 in this case. To Aseprite and make sprite sheet. And now start with canvas layer in Godot. Rename it. Child node is texture rect. Resize on full rect and add any texture. This texture ain't be visible in rendering. Next child node, Sprite 2D. Oh yeah, I forget. Adjust canvas layer a little bit higher, 128 for example. Add sprite sheet to the Sprite 2D and adjust this. For now, offset centered, uncheck. Add animation player like child node of canvas layer. Rename texture rect into screenshot. Sprite 2D texture, filter nearest for sharper texture of sprite sheet. And now screenshot / texture rect. Pay attention, it's very easy to screw up somewhere. Go to material and add new shader material. Click on material. Click below on shader empty. New shader. Create shader window opens. Name shader. Click twice on name of new created shader to let Godot to create shader script with same name. That's important. Here's script. If you don't see shader parameters, progress, hit Ctrl S in shader editor, then in scene editor. Sprite 2D adjust number of vertical frames. My sprite sheet have vertical alignment of 20 frames. Add +1. Create new animation with proper name. I'm not going to waste time on explaining how to create animation from sprite sheet. You have that in video 37 how to make loading screen. Let's animate shader. I made mistake key should not be added in reset. But into animation. and now just needs to be little adjusted. Little script adjustments, and sound adding. Script changes in Scene Manager. And into Transition Strawberry/Canvas layer. Put Transition Strawberry in globals/autoload/singletons. Wrong call. Need to call Change Scene from Scene Manager. Works. Of course, needs more adjustments. Transition Strawberry's process mode put on always. Tweak animations if it's necessary. Turn off looping for animation and sound. And here's scripts. Transition Strawberry. Scene Manager. Change audio bus for sound into SFX. And let's test it. Nice, huh? Looks good enough. And that is it for this session. Thanks for patience in watching. Stay well. And bye-bye.